Hey, here we have a diamond core drill set from UK Drills. I'm going to tell you a little bit about this product and the accessories you will get in this set. We have huge stocks available and we can get your product delivered to your doorstep the next day. It goes without saying that with 30 years of experience selling power tool accessories, UK Drills' primary focus is on quality. Firstly, it's great to see that this set comes in a high quality durable case, ensuring your core drills can be transported easily and stored safely in between use. The diamond core drills on offer will allow you great performance. Why? Well, that is because the edge is diamond tipped, ensuring it has no problem dealing with the brick and concrete. In this set, you're going to get a range of sizes, all at 150mm standard length. You will get a 38mm, 52mm, 65mm, 117mm, and 127mm diameter core drill, which are some of the most popular sizes we supply. Furthermore, you don't need to worry about the adapters. This set comes with everything you're going to need to get your job started. It comes with two SDS Plus adapters in different lengths and also two hex adapters in different lengths, meaning you can use these core drills with both a standard drill machine or an SDS Plus drill machine. It also comes with a pilot drill and a drift key for easy release after use. Now let's get it all put together. So the center drill pops in your adapter like this. It's just a push to fit, and then attach the adapter to your diamond core drill. Finally, attach your drill machine and you're good to go. Always remember to wear gloves and safety goggles. As expected, your drill bit and diamond core drill will have a life expectancy depending on frequency of use and material you're drilling into. However, you should be able to use the adapter over and over again. If you ever need a replacement diamond core drill or any of these accessories, these can all be purchased from us individually, ensuring you always have a full set of diamond core drills ready for use.